Used the family party as an opportunity to try out my new indoor grill. Had 5 total mistakes and wins. After washing, drying, and seasoning the grill, we preheated to 400 degrees and put everything on at once. Next time I would not do that. The bread cooked right away, the veggies cooked the longest, and the chicken medium, so I would stagger them. After researching raclette, decided we definitely had to go with the bread and melted cheese. That cheese was a total win and arguably everyone's favorite. First mistake we made is we put the meat too close to the edge of the raclette. The center cooked fantastic, but the 1-inch edging all around the outside wasn't close enough to the electric burner, so that meat didn't cook as well. We did both flip the skewers and rotate the skewers from the center to the ends. It was just those pieces that were the closest to the outside 1-inch perimeter that didn't cook as well. To fix this, I would either put less food on the skewers or I would turn them the lengthways instead of crossways. Also went ahead and put our chocolate in for dessert, and it was too close to that heating element, so it burned. To fix this, we put it under the bottom lower warming element and it melted great. The cheese, on the other hand, perfection. It slid out so easily with that nonstick, was so good. Overall, indoor grills are such a creative and exciting way to gather people together. They all have their own coupelle trays where they can cook their individual food to their preference by sharing a top reversible nonstick plate. The 2-in-1 nonstick coating, where you can flip the top metal plate between a ridged grill strip or a flat one. It also comes with 8 of the raclette pans and wooden spatulas to help remove. You simply have to plug in the 3-prong plug, turn on the heat, and adjust the temperature controls from 374 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. That large 19x9 plate on top is adequate for the party of 8, and everyone can independently cook their own food in their individual raclette trays, or they can share the grill surface on the top. Overall, this electric indoor grill is just a perfect solution for family and friends up to 8 people at the same time. Great for parties, family dinners, no matter if it's sunny or rainy, summer or winter. You can grill anytime. Enjoy family and friends. What more could you ask for? I can't decide if I like the 2-in-1 nonstick grill with the glued surfaces that easily remove the excess oil, or the ability to flip it over for crepes and pancakes, eggs and bacon, or that I can adjust the heat controls to exactly what I need it and it heats up so quickly for sauces, chocolates, pizzas, and so much more. This innovative wooden 2-door construction was just plain fun. Everyone laughed as we made our feast. And kind of like a fondue night, it's really easy entertaining because you don't even have to cook anything in advance. Everyone cooks their own food. And at the end of the night, the cleanup was super easy because the non-stick surfaces allowed the food to come off easily. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. I think it's the perfect solution for family fun, and I definitely think you should check it out.